how to order from Superbuy. So here's how it works. First, you will need to create an account, which is fairly easy, and then it's going to automatically sign you in. Next, we will use the search bar here to search for the product which we want to purchase. I would just search for shoes. This is going to load up a new page like this, and you can choose the shoes which you want to purchase. Here it's going to show you the supplier as well. So we're just going to click on these shoes, and it's going to take a little bit of time to load. But here you will see all of the product information as well as the store's score. So you will need to choose the size in this example, and also the color, so you can see the different variety of colors. So let's say that we want this one, and you can either buy it now or add to cart. Let's say that we want to buy it now. Click on buy now, and this is what it's going to look like. So we will have order confirmation, then you will need to complete the payment, then it's going to tell you when the payment is complete, and it's going to become or be sent on transit. So right here you will see the information and all the available options. So you will have quality check photos. I need one. If you want to check this here, it's going to cost you 2 of this currency, and these are all of the extra options which you can choose. Now if you want to add any remarks, then you will add them there, or if you just want to pay, you will toggle this and click on submit. Also, we need to add our destination country. So the country is going to be the USA, just in this as an example, and we'll click on submit. Now it's going to tell us that we need to verify our email address, or we can click on later. Click on confirm, again submit. Okay, so we're just going to verify it real quick. Okay, so the next step will be this. Here you can see your balance and how you will pay for it. You can use Wise bank transfers, international bank payments. You can also use Apple Pay, credit cards, and all of these different payment methods such as Alipay. You can also use crypto, and basically you will choose the payment option which best suits you, and you will need to provide your shipping information here, or the delivery address rather, and you will click on save. Next, you will have to go through the payment method, and once you pay for it, you will be able to track your order. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.